So class, today I am going to start a new chapter in literature, and that is chapter number 3, What Lucy Finds in the Wardrobe. So this is the story, and before starting anything in this chapter beta, let me tell you that this whole story is taken from the very famous novel The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. So this whole story is taken from which novel? The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. So this story is just an extract, or you can say it's just a part of the very famous novel, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. And very important, C.S. Lewis has written this story. C.S. Lewis is the author of the story What Lucy Finds in the Wardrobe. So who is the author? C.S. Lewis. C.S. Lewis is the author of the story What Lucy Finds in the Wardrobe. So what is there in the story beta? So it's basically the story based on an imaginary world, or you can say a fantasy world, where there are four children. And we are going to read about the adventures of the four children. We are going to read about the adventures of the four children who visits Narnia. And Narnia is a land of mythical creatures and talking animals. So Narnia is a land, is an imaginary land, is a fantasy land where you will find mythical creatures and talking animals. So mythical means not real. Reality में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Okay, not real and existing only in stories. So Narnia is a land of mythical creatures and talking animals. So ये एक just a story, और इस story में you will get to know about talking animals and mystery creatures. Okay. और अगर रियलिटी में यू विल सी, तो रियलिटी में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. इट्स जस्ट अ स्टोरी, इट्स जस्ट एन इमेजिनरी स्टोरी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज देयर इन द स्टोरी? सी, देयर आर फोर चिल्ड्रन. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर? देयर आर फोर चिल्ड्रन. पीटर, सुजैन, एडमंड एंड लूसी. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर? पीटर, सुजैन, एडमंड एंड लूसी. देयर आर फोर चिल्ड्रन, नेमली पीटर, सुजैन, एडमंड एंड लूसी. सो and the main character of this story is Lucy. When you will read this story, you will get to know that Lucy is the main character in this story. In this particular story, she is the main character. Who is the main character? Lucy. So there are four children, namely Peter, Suzanne, Edmund and Lucy, and Lucy is the main character of this story. And they are being sent to their professor's house, old professor's house, because at their place, because उनके घर में, उनके place पे attacks हो रहे हैं. And the place was in London, and they lived in London, and वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Attacks हो रहे हैं, bombings हो रही हैं. So to protect themselves, they have been sent to their professor's house. Okay, because that place where they used to live, that place was in London, and that was actually not safe for the young children. The place was actually not safe for the young children. कहने का मतलब ये है कि वो जो प्लेस थी जहाँ पे अटैक्स हो रहे थे, वो छोटे बच्चों के लिए सही नहीं था. इसीलिए उन्हें कौन? All the four children were sent to their old professor's house. उनको अपने प्रोफेसर के हाउस भेज दिया गया. ओके, सो एंड उसमें you will get to know in the story that they are very curious to know. These four children are very curious to know about a lot of things. बहुत ज़्यादा curious है, हर चीज़ को जानने के लिए वो बहुत curious होते हैं. So being a children, you are very curious to know many things. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जानने के लिए आप excited रहते हैं. You are very excited to know about a lot more things. कोई जैसे मान लीजिए कोई कार्टून है, या फिर कोई भी मूवी आ रही है रिलेटेड विद योर इंटरेस्ट. अगर आपके इंटरेस्ट रिलेटेड कोई भी चीज़ हो रही है, तो यू आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू नो. और कोई भी नई चीज़ होती है, तो यू आर एक्साइटेड टू नो अबाउट दैट थिंग. सो दीज फोर चिल्ड्रन आर ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज दे आर इन देयर ओल्ड प्रोफेसर हाउस. और ओल्ड प्रोफेसर का हाउस, इट्स अ वेरी बिग हाउस. बहुत सारे, एंड द हाउस इज हैविंग द हाउस इज हैविंग डिफरेंट रूम्स. बहुत सारे रूम्स है, बहुत सारे अलग अलग रूम बने हुए, कमरे बने हुए हैं. So they are very excited to know about all the rooms. So they start they decide to explore all the rooms. So what they are saying? So they are deciding to explore all the rooms, and in one of the rooms they find a big wardrobe. एक अलमारी मिलती है, पूरी रूम खाली है. The room is totally empty, but only there is a wardrobe. There is one wardrobe in that room. So all the children, they were like busy in exploring the house, so they went away, but Lucy stayed behind. लूसी पीछे रह गई. बाकी सारे जो उसके जो सिबलिंग्स थे, पीटर, सुजैन एंड एडमंड, उन्होंने क्या किया, वो चले गए. बिकॉज दे वर एक्सप्लोरिंग, सो वो अलग अलग रूम्स को चेक कर रहे थे. बट लूसी स्टेड इन दैट रूम. इन विच रूम? इन दैट एम्प्टी रूम वेयर देयर वॉज ओनली वन wardrobe, a big wardrobe. So she decided Lucy decided to check the wardrobe, and as being a child, she was very excited to know what was there in the wardrobe, and क्यों सिर्फ एक अकेले रूम में सिर्फ एक wardrobe ही क्यों है. So as a child she was very excited, so she stayed behind and she thought to check out the wardrobe. So what did she do? She went inside the room and she opened the wardrobe, and what did she find? She found an imaginary world. In that wardrobe she found what? She found an imaginary world, and it was like very strange to find out. In a wardrobe, एक अलमारी में एक अलग ही दुनिया आपको मिलती है, तो that is very strange. And for Lucy it was also the same. It was very strange to find a different world, an imaginary world in that wardrobe. कि मतलब wardrobe के through एक अलग दुनिया है. So when she finds that, so she is very excited, and at the same time she is very nervous also. बहुत ज़्यादा nervous भी है, because क्या होगा, क्या हो सकता है. तो she is at the same time very nervous and also very excited to know about something new. Okay, know about something interesting. कुछ नया जानने के लिए she is very excited, और at the same time she is very afraid also. She is very nervous also. Okay, so she like slowly when she moves ahead, जैसे जैसे ही वो आगे बढ़ती है, she finds cold snow. एक ठंडी सी जगह है जहाँ पे स्नो गिर रही है, बर्फ गिर रही है, and like it's very unusual place. मतलब ऐसा place उसने कभी देखा ही नहीं है. So she finds it an unusual place, and what she finds when she moves ahead, जैसे वो आगे बढ़ती है, she finds what? An unusual creature, or you can say a mystery creature, जो you cannot find in reality. आप जिसको reality में find नहीं कर सकते, but imaginary world में she was there, and she finds an unusual creature, a mystery creature, और उस creature का नाम क्या था? Faun, Faun. So this is the spelling, Faun. So she finds a mystery creature, and its name was what? Its name was Faun, and Faun means a creature that is half man and half goat. So Faun is what? Faun is a creature, is basically a creature that is half man and half goat, जो आधा आदमी और आधा बकरी है. Okay, so he is a half man and a half goat, and so she is very shocked to see such a creature, because उसने अपनी पूरी लाइफ में इस तरह के क्रीचर नहीं देखा है. It's very like you will be very shocked to see. So as being a child, she was, I have told you, she was very excited, and at the same time she was very nervous and afraid. Or after seeing that creature, and that creature was Faun, so she was very nervous कि ये क्या हो गया, who is standing in front of me. So she is like slowly like she is getting to know about that Faun, and she saw its appearance. a बहुत अलग तरह का appearance था. So we will read in this chapter. So let us start this chapter, that is chapter number 3, what Lucy finds in the wardrobe. Here is an extract from the novel The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. I have already told you in the starting of the story that C.S. Lewis is the author of the story What Lucy Finds in the Wardrobe. A fantasy novel set in an imaginary world. It traces the adventures of 4 children. How many children, beta? 4 children. Who visits Narnia और नार्निया, वहाँ पे नार्निया को विजिट करते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज नार्निया? अ लैंड ऑफ मिथिकल क्रीचर्स एंड टॉकिंग एनिमल्स. एंड राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ मिथिकल बेटा. नॉट रियल, इन ब्रैकेट्स राइट, एग्जिस्टिंग ओनली इन स्टोरीज. मिथिकल मतलब रियलिटी में नहीं होता, सिर्फ एक इमेजिनरी है. इट्स जस्ट एन इमेजिनेशन एंड आपकी सिर्फ कहानियों में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं ऐसे क्रीचर्स. सो द मीनिंग ऑफ मिथिकल इज नॉट रियल and in brackets existing only in stories. Okay, so let us start the chapter. Peter, Suzanne, Edmund and Lucy. I have already told you in the beginning of the chapter that there are four children, namely Peter, Suzanne, Edmund and Lucy were four children who were sent away from London ड्यूरिंग दी टेरिबल वॉर. क्योंकि उनके यहाँ बहुत सारी लड़ाइयाँ चल रही थी, अटैक्स हो रहे थे, तो उन बच्चों को उनके अपने वहाँ से भेज दिया गया. कहाँ भेज दिया गया? ओल्ड प्रोफेसर हाउस. सो पीटर, सुजैन, एडमंड एंड लूसी वर फोर चिल्ड्रेन हु वर सेंड अवे फ्रॉम लंडन ड्यूरिंग दी टेरिबल वॉर. देयर वर एयर एड्स एंड बॉम्बिंग्स. सो एयर एड्स मीन्स एन अटैक. ओके, एयर एड्स मीन अटैक, जो आसमान से अटैक्स होते हैं, प्लेन से जो अटैक होते हैं, जो बॉम्ब्स गिराते हैं. सो दैट इज नोन एज अटैक्स. एयर रेड्स. और एयर रेड्स को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? एन अटैक दैट इज डन फ्रॉम दी स्काई. मतलब ऊपर से जो प्लेन से जो अटैक्स होते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज एयर रेड्स. एंड बॉम्बिंग्स. एंड लंडन वॉज नॉट एट ऑल सेफ फॉर यंग चिल्ड्रन. और लंडन में जहाँ पे ये चार बच्चे रहते थे वो अब सेफ नहीं रहा. So they stayed with an old professor. In a large rambling house in the country yard. And rambling means containing many different parts. Rambling मतलब बहुत एक बड़ा घर था और बहुत सारे separate rooms से, बहुत बड़ा घर था. So they stayed in which house? A large house which had many rooms, which had different kinds of rooms. बहुत सारे rooms थे. So rambling means containing many different parts. So they stayed with an old professor in a large rambling house in the countryside. Okay,